to be left in a desert with a child, and then your husband's sleeping. You know what I mean? Can you guys imagine? And so she calls out and she asks, is this a command from God? And when he said it was, then she felt a sense of tawakkul, right? She felt at peace with knowing that, okay, then that means God's got my back, right? That means Allah has got me and my child. So she knew that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would take care of them. But did that mean she didn't take any action? Did that mean that she didn't do any work? She didn't strive? And as you know, she did. And in fact, her striving was so memorable that every single person walks in her footsteps in order to fulfill one of the most important rituals of our deen, which is both Hajj and Umrah. We walk literally in her footsteps. So this concept that we have to strive for what we want. We have to strive in order to get fruit. You know, a farmer needs to strive. A farmer needs to plant the seed and then take care of that in order to get fruit. And so what I ask from my audience is that I want you within yourselves to set an intention of what you hope to gain today. I want you to, because, you know, if Allah tells us that you will not have except what you strive for, so we have to know what we're striving for. Are you even clear on what you're striving for? Do you know what your intention is? Do you know what you hope to get? Do you know what you're seeking? That's the question I'm asking. Sometimes we don't know. We don't know what we're looking for. How many people feel like they know what they're looking for? Exactly. It's you know what I mean? Sometimes we're not even clear. But here's the problem. If you're driving somewhere and you're not really sure what the address is, are you gonna get there? You don't even know what to put into your GPS, right? You have to know where you're going if you're gonna get there. And so what I want to ask you to do, and this is something you do within yourself, is to set a mental goal of what you hope to gain tonight, and then obviously in your life. Okay? But let's start with what did you come for? What are you seeking? Everyone's seeking something. And if you're not clear on what that is, become clear on it. Because you can't reach somewhere if you don't know where you're going. Does that make sense? So I want everyone to take a few moments and just think about, what is it that I need in my life? What is it that I'm looking for? What is it that I'm seeking? And then I want you to make dua. I want you to ask Allah to give you that tonight, and to give you that in your life, and to give everyone in this room, what it is they came to seek. Can you guys do that for me? So just take a few moments and just do that. Okay, Bismillah. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Does anyone want to share? Does anyone want to share? It's okay if it's too personal, you don't need to. But if you feel like you want, yes, brother.
Peace.
Peace. Looking for more peace. Come to look for peace. Okay. Inshallah. Yes. In the back, yeah.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guidance, hidayah.
Hidayah.
Pleasure of Allah.
Okay. So she said the guidance from Allah and the pleasure of Allah, to please Allah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with that. Yes.
To feel and be more balanced. At least for me, it's kind of easy to get focused on one thing or another.
Lose that balance. So he said to have more of a sense of balance, because it's easy to get focused on one thing and then lose